Now know the number of coronavirus cases skyrocketing, and right now we are seeing a surge in COVID-19 cases in Cobb County.
In response, the county school district is switching all students to virtual learning for the rest of this week to end the fall semester. Joe Hankey talked with the county health district director today.
County health officials do not believe COVID-19 is rapidly spreading inside Cobb County schools, and they credit a mask mandate at school for that. But as cases are surging around the rest of the county outside of the school walls, they believe that more holiday travel and holiday gatherings could make a bad situation even worse.
We're taking it day by day and watching all of the data and talking with the schools.
Dr. Janet Memark is the director of Cobb and Douglas Public Health and advises Cobb County schools on COVID-19. Since last month, the number of cases involving students and staff from Cobb schools has nearly doubled. On Tuesday, the district decided to have all students finish this week virtually.
They made the decision yesterday based on the number of cases that were coming in.
In the community, Memark says a surge of new cases similar to records set this past summer is leading to crowded hospitals. She credits Thanksgiving travel, gatherings, and COVID fatigue with increased cases across Cobb, and worries more travel and holidays will add to the surge in cases. High transmission of COVID-19 is considered 100 new cases over 2 weeks per 100,000 people. 1 month ago, Cobb's rate was double that. Today, it is nearly 7 times that rate. Starting Monday, Cobb County schools will be on holiday break until the spring semester begins on January 6th. At that time, students who have opted for face-to-face learning are expected to be back in the classroom. Today, we asked the district if that plan is being reconsidered, but so far have not received a response. Memark says her staff will continue to offer guidance to the district.
We've already discussed it today that we're going to meet over the holidays as well, and then keep an eye on case counts.
And as far as the COVID-19 vaccine goes, Dr. Memark tells me at the very latest, early next week is when the county should have doses on hand, and then at that time, they can start vaccinating healthcare workers around the county.
All right, Joe, thank you.